This is to give everybody an idea what's going on back here. So this is the engine bay. As we can see, engine's out. Remove the um, shock, the shocks back here. Not too hard to do. Again, bolts get seized up. Need a little bit of torque on those lower bolts. The upper bolts not too bad. The thing with the shock is the upper shock will spin if you're not holding on to it when you're trying to unscrew the nut. Again, I didn't really set things up to film, but I figured just give people an overview. You see here, this has like a sound deadening, soundproofing material. There's some pictures I'll post up there. It's basically some sort of rubber, plastic, styrofoam, completely uh, fell apart as I started to remove it. You see how much glue is used, all that black. Some of it's rusted. I think it's probably moisture, but a lot of it is glue. I started using like these types of brushes, some scrapers, some sanding blocks. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to take it down to bare metal and then basically spray this area. Um, I don't want to go messing with sort of the electrical stuff back here. Um, we left, when I say we, the mechanic left a lot of stuff intact to basically just put the engine back in and start reconnecting stuff. I know ideally you would take all this stuff out and really do a nice job. This will kind of be, I'll tape everything off. I'll try to video it as I'm doing it, tape off as much as I can, and then just do like after spray. And again, it's the engine bay. I'm not going to get too crazy about if it looks better than it did, which some of the pictures might present. I mean, this car was filthy. If you could see, that's just a fraction of some of the stuff, oil and residue that was coming off the back of this thing. So this is whatever stage. I say I have a few more hours into it before I'll be comfortable sort of spraying. And then again, I don't know what I'm going to use yet. I think POR 15 or POR 15 makes some sort of a spray that I might use on that. Thanks everybody for watching. Please like and subscribe. Check out some of our other videos in this ongoing 911 83 Super Carrera project. Thanks for stopping by.